In today's video, I'll show you how to edit WooCommerce billing fields using a simple plugin, giving you more control over your checkout process. Start by going to your WordPress dashboard, then plugins greater than add new. Search for checkout field editor and manager for WooCommerce, install it and activate it. Once activated, you'll see a new option under the WooCommerce tab called Checkout Field Editor. Click on it and you'll see all your billing fields. You can edit labels, add helpful placeholders, make fields required, or even remove unnecessary ones. Each field has a panel on the right for customization. Just tweak it to fit your store's needs. After making your changes, don't forget to save. Your updated billing fields are now live, creating a smoother checkout experience for your customers and helping boost sales.